Hey guys, this is the IT Nomad once again. What you guys are looking at now, this is going to be the tools section. These are all the tools that are going to be available in the game. I know Kali Linux has about 600 tools, if I'm not mistaken. We don't have too many here. We got quite a few, but this is more just to kind of get you started. We have recon, who is traceroute, dig, host, curl, wget, all that good stuff. And those kind of broken up in sections, as you can see at the top. We have scanning, exploitation, passwords, post-exploit, forensics, wireless, anonymity, and then special. So as you can see, on the right side, you see that a few of them says active. You see the top right says active. Let's see, we're actually going through. We got Nmap, ping, derb, net discover, go buster, and stuff like that. And what these are going to actually teach you how to run the commands in the game. And we'll get to that in a minute. As you can see, those say active, burp, and Metasploit, and beef. Those are active. Those are active because you want to activate the tools that you're going to need for your specific mission, especially if you're doing a contract job. Not all jobs here are contract based. Some are, some not. I'll show you guys that in a minute. Right now, as you can see, that the one says Bloodhound is active, but Power Explorer is not. And we can kind of see through that. Kernel Rootkit. Got the forensics. Nothing here is active, but the commands are good for TCP dump. We got Wireshark, obviously, binwalk, and stuff like that. So these are the commands that you would use if you were going to be doing this, in real life. Again, you got, wireless, aircrack, Wi-Fi, and, Reaver, and, Kismet, and stuff like that. And then you got, of course, you got to have your anonymity. So you got your proxy chains and your Tor. I like proxy chains. I think Tor is cool too, but if I'm doing anything, I'd rather do proxy chain. And Genesis key. Now this one does not exist. It's just something for the game. So as you can see, all these are kind of like clickable. They highlight, so forth and so on. So if you're gonna click on one, now we're gonna go to the city, right? So if you click on one and you try to load it out, you're going to get an error message. It says full loadout removal tool first. So it says remove a tool first, and it's telling you that you can't add any more tools. Your loadout is completely full, and that's based off the ones that you see that says active. I don't know if you can see that or not. And as we go, we're going to go right now. We're just unloading some of the tools. We click the active button, and they go back into our available tools. As you can see that. And so basically what we're going to do is we're going to set up the tools that we need for the specific city. So for all cities, you could just use Nmap, who is, and who I am, or whatever, and it's just very straightforward. I'll show you guys that in the coming up videos. Remember, again, guys, please subscribe if you guys are enjoying the content. You guys haven't seen the game yet. Just showing you the tools and stuff. If you like what we're doing over here, please take a moment, hit that subscribe button, and it's muchly appreciated. So we're going to activate Nmap Tor, who is dig. Who else we're going to put? We're going to put traceroute. I think we're going to put in here. Ping, of course, host, netcat, and curl. And now what you're going to notice is that we're going to go over here to the maps right now, to the cities. And if we click Tucson, as you can see, it says active loadout. It says dig, Nmap Tor, who is, traceroute, ping, host, netcat, curl. And we can execute the mission, but we don't want to do that. So I want to show you something different. We'll get to the missions soon. That's what I'm saying. Make sure you guys subscribe for that. And let's see here, Tucson. So Albuquerque, there's no tools, right? So you can't really do anything. But I want to show you guys the one with the contract. So I know we got one contract over here that's available. Let's see, it's over here to my left, right there. Go back. Let's see. So Bangkok, for contract available, as you notice, it says investigation. And it says right there, it says loadout insufficient, mission blocked, Colonel Demon, haha, LOL. Tor, Nmap, Proxy Chains, Bloodhound, Wireshark, and Repomder is actually, and you can actually hit fix loadout, go to your loadout and fix that. So I appreciate you guys being here. Enjoy the rest of the video. It's very straightforward. And if you guys have any questions whatsoever, hit me up, guys. Peace and love. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys so much.